Quick question. What do Love Ajkal, Go Goa Gone, Badlapur, Hindi Medium, and Bala have in common? No, not the songs that played at every Delhi wedding. They all came from the same production house, Madak Films. From rom coms to revenge dramas to horror comedies, these guys have done it all. And now they are basically building their own Avengers style universe. But Bollywood style, so thoda quirky, thoda jugadu. Stick around because Madak story is wild. Maddox started in 2005 by Dinesh Vijan. And fun fact, Bhai wasn't even from films. He was an investment banker. मतलब पैसा गिनना आता था पर सपना था सिनेमा बनाने का. His dad used to take him to the movies every Sunday and clearly पापा का हॉबी बेटे का करियर बन गया. So in 2004 he quit banking, did odd jobs in production and then launched Maddox with a simple idea. Indian stories but told थोड़ा हटके. ड्रीम्स आर ग्रेट बट बॉलीवुड में सर्वाइवल के लिए एक हिट चाहिए. मैडक गॉट देयर्स इन 2009 विथ लव आजकल, इंस्टेंट ब्लॉकबस्टर. बट दिनेश न्यू एक हिट पे बैनर नहीं बनता, सो मैडक स्टार्टेड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग. यूथ कॉमेडीज लाइक कॉकटेल इन लुका छुपी, डार्क थ्रिलर्स लाइक बदलापुर, social dramas like Hindi Medium and Mimi. Clearly, they weren't just playing safe, but the real dhamaka was yet to come. So in 2018 came Stree, budget 25 crores and box office was 180 plus crores. Literally nobody saw that coming. And suddenly Maddox found its gold mine, horror comedy. Ruhi flopped, sure, but instead of quitting, Dinesh doubled down. Then Bhedia came with a decent run, and in 2024, Munji arrived. No big stars, only newcomers, folklore-based ghost, and with the budget of 30 crores, it went 130 plus crores at the box office. Or फिर आई Stree 2. 100 crore budget, 850 plus crores worldwide. And now Maddox basically doing their own Marvel move. Check out this lineup. Thama coming in October 2025. Shakti Shalini coming in December 2025. Bhedia 2 coming in August 2026. Chamunda coming in December 2026. Stree 3 coming in August 2027. Mahamanjiya coming in December 2027. पहला महायुद्ध coming in August 2028 and finally दूसरा महायुद्ध coming in December 2028. Yes, they literally planned their own Infinity War and Endgame. Or honestly, right now, Mad Duck Horror Comedy Universe is giving tough competition to YRF Spy Universe and LCU. But Mad Duck isn't just about chudayals and comedy. They are also making Murder Mubarak, Sector 36, Sky Force, Chhawa, Bhool Chuk Maaf and Tehran. हिट्स एंड मिसेस आते रहेंगे बट मैडक का फंडा सिंपल है. इन्वेस्ट इन यंग टैलेंट, कीप एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग और अगर फिल्म रिस्की लग रही हो तो OTT पे बीट्स दो. सेफ एग्जिट, स्मार्ट मूव. Out of 35 films, we have data of 18, budget 700 crores and box office 2600 plus crores. और इसके पीछे एक ही बंदा है, दिनेश विजन, a banker turned producer who literally built a brand by betting on new writers, quirky stories and risk that most producers run away from. So the question is, can Maddox keep this streak alive or will they also end up like other banners, एक time पे king और फिर forgotten? Right now, though one thing's clear, Maddox has turned horror comedy into Bollywood's hottest property. और जो लाइन मार्वल ने बोला था, the end game is near, Maddox के लिए लगता है the best is yet to come. Tell me, will Maddox survive long term or is this bubble bound to burst? Drop your take in the comments. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button, share this with your movie geek dost and subscribe to The Final Take because we take cinema seriously but not ourselves.